Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be doing eye makeup using the Naked Urban Decay Wild West. Here we have it. We're gonna be opening it together. I actually received this box like a few months ago, so I'm finally gonna try it. I'm really excited to see how it actually works, how it looks. Pretty much my face is done. I don't really put too much on my skin. I don't use foundation. I just have moisturizer, SPF, and then I did a little bit of contouring, more natural with bronzer, and then I have blush, and I still haven't done my lip color. We're gonna leave that for when I finish the eyes. So I just have moisturizer on my lips right now, and then I have a little bit of concealer under my eyes. So we're gonna do now the eye makeup, and then we're gonna finish the face, whatever it needs to finish the look. If you guys are into a natural look, a beautiful makeup and easy, then stick around because I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of this eye makeup. This is the palette. Let me open it. This is the palette, and let's see the colors. Here we go. So these are the colors. I think they're very Coachella kind of like colors. It looks really fun and flirty. So let's see what eye makeup we're gonna do with this. And then also I have in this box, I have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I have never used a primer for my eyes before, so this is new for me. So we're gonna be putting this on, of course, before the eyeshadow. And then when we finish, we're gonna be using the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray just to set everything in. That's what I got from Urban Decay. Let's start. I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer lotion. So it goes here. Put it with the fingers. It's actually very creamy. Feels good. The brush that comes with it. In the palette, I'm gonna be using this side to apply the eyeshadow now. I'm not sure what to do. I'm like in between these three colors. For the occasion, I'm actually going out today and I'm already dressed. I have a little dress, black dress. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the base with this one. It's called Whiskey. So let's do that. I'm gonna go and contour the eyelids. So I'm gonna go here and here on the outer corners. I'm gonna put the Whiskey color. Almost creating like a cat eye situation in the corner. This color is actually a little bit dark compared to the colors I do, because as I told you, I don't put too much makeup, especially on my eyes. But we'll see if I can actually pull off this makeup look. So the rest that I have in this brush from the Whiskey, I'm gonna be putting it down to contour the eye. So from the inner corner, like on the eyelashes here, and then outer corner, and the same on the other side. And then for here in the middle, in the inside, I'm gonna be mixing the whole M with the rustler. So I think these two will go together. And I'm gonna be doing with this part of the brush. So I will go just right here in the middle of the eyeball to the inside of the eye, and I put some here. Okay. Wow, pretty. It's like really like metallic looking. Okay, let's do the other side. So here in the middle of the eyeball to the inside. It looks actually pretty. A little bit more to the corner here. So I'm gonna be putting that same thing here on the eye, on the like watermark here. Okay. I'm gonna be creating with the eyeshadow, the liner on top of the eye. I'm gonna be using the darker one, which I believe is the Pony Up. So I always start my eyeliner in the middle of the eye to the outside. There you go. So I created the like a cat eye with the eyeshadow. I think that is fine. And then I'm gonna brush it after. That is it with the eyeshadow. It's very simple. I mix as a foundation, as a contouring, the Whiskey, and then, sorry for the helicopter. And then in the middle to the inside, just to brighten up and open a little bit more the eyes, I mix the Hold M, which is like metallic color, is a gold metallic color, and the Rustler, which is a metallic like brownish color. So I mix these two for the inside of the eyeball to the inner color, just inner of the eyes, just to open up the eyes more and to brighten them. And then I did my eyeliner cat eye with the pony up. So that's how you actually work out this palette. I did the whole eyeshadow with the Naked Urban Decay Wild West. Now I'm gonna be finishing up the rest of the makeup. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of mascara, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of my eyebrows, and what else? And then fix a little bit the concealer under the eyes because of the eyeshadow. It came like down here. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight on my cheekbones. And I think that is it. And then the lips. So we're done. So let me do this and I will show you the final result of the makeup look. Okay guys, so this is the makeup look. It's done. I put the red lips because I thought I needed it with this black dress. So I actually think it goes really well with the eyes, with the eyeshadow I pick. Plays very well with the red lips. For this look I wanna go for today. I'm gonna finish everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter, the makeup setting spray long lasting. Really happy with the Naked Urban Decay Wild West. I have to be honest, when I saw the palette, I didn't think I will like it that much or use it, because as I told you, I really don't use eyeshadows. I really don't put eyeshadows, and when I do, I put like neutral colors. So I was a little bit skeptical about this palette, but it actually worked out. I'm really happy with the results. I think it looks pretty. Thank you very much for sticking around, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Mwah!